Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this new Phillips Sonicare electric toothbrush. This is the Essence model Series 1. This is recommended by my dentist and I decided I'll go ahead and get it. I've hit Oral-B, but I just wanted to try something a little bit different. This is supposed to remove twice as much plaque and #1 recommended. Side of the box just give you a little bit more details what the Essence model does. The contour brush head, the Essence includes one Sonicare toothbrush handle, one series brush head, a charger with base easy wrap cord, and a hygienic travel cap. It's getting a 2-year warranty on this from the manufacturer, so I declined the extended warranty because you get 2 years with the manufacturer. And you see, you're supposed to have better checkups in 90 days. Here's the back of the box, just give you a little bit more details of what it offers. The rechargeable indicator, the better reach for better clean, patented sonic technology, a smart timer, which every 2 minutes it lets you know when you're done brushing a certain area. And then of course it has the easy start to increase power over 12 uses. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so here is the box. Okay, so we have our instruction guide here. Essence 5000 series. Here's your toothbrush head. Here's the actual toothbrush base, the button. Okay, nothing on the bottom of there. And you have your base mount, which actually charges it as well. So this is it. This is the unboxing of the Phillips Sonicare Essence toothbrush. I'll make a review maybe after a couple weeks of using it to really get a fair and honest review. So subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. I put some links below on the reviews of what the ratings was. It was rated a 4.7, so I bought it in the description below. Thanks for watching.